So here's what I'm going to do. Here's the page. I'm going to make a new row. I'm just going to duplicate this row, which is a quick hand way of doing that. Click on that. Hello, there it is. Then I'm going to trash this text block. Just go away. And we'll set this to a 4-column. And of course, this whole thing here will eventually go away. I'm just going to leave it for now. But all right, so I have 4 columns. So we'll call this one spring. Make a text block. Brings up this. I'm going to just say spring. And we want to center that. And you might want to make it bold or one of the header styles. Let's just do that. Save changes. Okay. Then you can duplicate this element and drag it here. And duplicate and drag it here. And duplicate, drag it here. Let's just take a quick look at what that looks like. Waiting. Come on, there we go. All right, let's go take a look. All right, spring. Perfect. Okay. So obviously we'll go in and change these to summer. Summer menu. You can call these whatever you want. You can add additional text. Spring menu, right? All right, so now PDF is just like really any other media element, like a photo or something. You go to add media, right? And you go and you upload your file, in this case the PDF. All right, so I'm going to go find some random PDF that I've just made. Here's some Haven thing I'm working on. Okay, so this is a PDF. Unlike a photo, you just get this little thing here, right? So the best way to link to this accurately is to grab the URL that it's created over here, okay? Actually, no, sorry, it's right here. This thing. Just sit there and hit select all, copy that, and close this. Highlight what you want the link to be. In other words, this element will become the link. Hit this insert edit link, paste the URL, and make sure to hit open link in new tab. Okay, and then hit that, update, and here we go. Let's refresh. Okay, so here's spring menu. It's green because it's a link. I click on that, and a new tab opens up with my PDF. Okay. Now, it might be good practice in a case like this to add some additional text. So you might say, click here to view the spring, let's say April through June menu, all right? And you can align that. You can make this whole thing a link. Again, you click on the link, you put the URL, open link in new tab. So now either of these are a link. If you want to get fancy and you want to make a button, you can go to this Nectar shortcode. You can say choose shortcode, you go to button. The buttons are a little fiddly. Let's make a medium button. We put the URL to the PDF there, and we say view spring menu, and we tell people it's a PDF. That makes them happy. Okay. Open link in new tab. This is default sort of settings. You can play around with these. Add shortcode. And that'll put a little piece of shortcode in here. Save changes. And update. And now we can see what that looks like. Boop. All right. So here's some options. That's a link. This is a link. That's a link. Okay. If you want to mess around with that. There's some overall styles that govern those buttons, so I wouldn't get too fancy with trying to customize the button, but if you like the button component, let me know and we'll figure something out. All right, I'm going to leave the rest of these and you can play with it. All right.